Beneath the border of France and Switzerland, 300 feet underground, there's a tunnel stretching 17 miles in a perfect circle. And inside it, humanity is doing something that some of its own scientists tried to legally stop. This is CERN, and this is what's actually happening inside it. The Large Hadron Collider takes protons, the building blocks of all matter, and accelerates them to 99.9999991% the speed of light. Then it crashes them into each other head-on, not to destroy them, to see what's hiding inside. Because the atoms that make up your body, this screen, this entire planet, are almost entirely empty space. What feels solid is just invisible forces pushing against each other. CERN exists to understand what those forces are at their most fundamental level. In 2012, after 50 years of searching, they found the Higgs Boson, the particle responsible for giving all matter in the universe its mass. Without it, atoms don't hold together, stars never ignite, and you simply do not exist. It had been theorized since 1964. CERN found it hiding inside a collision that lasted less than a trillionth of a second. But that wasn't the finish line. It was the door opening. 27% of the entire universe is made of something we cannot see, cannot touch, and have never directly detected. We know dark matter exists only because without it, galaxies would fly apart completely. CERN is now trying to create conditions violent enough to force it to reveal itself. And then there is the question that haunts modern physics. When the Big Bang happened, matter and antimatter should have been created in equal amounts. When they meet, they annihilate each other completely, which means the universe should have destroyed itself in its first second. Nothing should exist. Yet here we are. CERN is running experiments right now trying to understand why existence itself survived. This is exactly why in 2008, scientists filed a lawsuit to stop the machine from ever turning on. Not because they were certain it was dangerous, but because they genuinely weren't certain it wasn't. The case was dismissed. The switch was flipped. 300 feet underground, protons began their 17-mile journey toward each other at nearly the speed of light. They're still running today, faster than ever, searching for the edges of reality and hoping that when they find them, they'll be ready for what's on the other side.